Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be building an RC kind of like a boxing machine but with a spinning arm. Yeah, this is gonna be the base of our robot, the body. And yeah, so this is gonna be the RC I'm gonna be using in this project. It has drone motors attached with it with some glue gun sticks on the motors. So I'm just cutting these like glue gun sticks, and I fast forward the video because it's not easy to do and I didn't wanted you guys to see me do it in real time. Yeah, it's kind of too long. So yeah, just gonna glue the motors onto the base. So now guys, I have attached both of the motors and like attached these 2 feet things over here, and they are attached on an angle so it will provide better grip. And yeah, so guys, I'm just attaching the battery onto the robot. Yeah, so just gonna put it over here. Sorry for my hand over there. And yeah, so guys, I'm just attaching this little motor over here for the arm, so we can install the arm and it will be ready to go. Yeah, so guys, I have attached the arm now, and yeah, I know it's kind of skinny, but yeah, it can punch, so it will do. So yeah, that's it. So now now guys, our robot is just gonna punch this piece of wood over here, which is already kind of dead, but yeah, I'm gonna kill him even more. Yeah. FBI, open up! So guys, I just came back from the jail, and yeah, here's a slow motion video of our robot hitting the piece of wood. Yay. And yeah, here's another video, but it seems like it kind of missed. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Like, yeah, really, our mini little dude or robot thing over here gonna fight the champion of the universe, I guess. It's Goku, my dude. Don't kill him too hard. Okay, you are just a loser, dude. Okay. Okay, you hit my friend too hard. They are friends now. Oh, I was wrong. That's some real backstabbing over there, little dude. Not like I know what backstabbing is, cause I never did that, right? Guys, if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe my channel.